Richie Rich Born Live on the truck. Yeah, you know it. As you can see, you know what I mean? Stuck in traffic. On my way to do my first job. Wow. And I started working this morning at 8. Look what time I'm gonna be arriving to my first job. You know what I mean? My co-worker. Oh, yeah, I'm back.
Hey.
Yeah, you know.
Hey, you gotta fix that. Go work at the driving school. Right.
Co-worker today, another day of driver. Yeah, he wanted me to fix it. I fixed it. Anyways. You over here watching a movie, you know what I mean? You know how we do over here.
Working hard.
Working hard.
Keep my eyes open.
Yeah, you gotta watch traffic for me too. Until next time, se jodió todo, perdido. See ya!